The time is here. It's time for us to honor our chief guest who is right in front of me. Everybody, let's welcome on stage and honor our chief guest, Honorable Shri Kamal Kishore Kapoor Chandji Tater, retired High Court Judge and Chairperson of Maharashtra State Human Rights Commission, Mumbai.
Good evening to everybody. One thing I'll tell that this International Human Rights Council is doing very good work. Very frankly speaking, as a chairperson of Maharashtra Human Rights Commission, whatever work we are doing, we are taking help from NGOs. But at the most, sitting in our courtroom, we are deciding complaints received from several public against public servants or police authorities or jail authorities or some other revenue departments. But whenever we get any news in newspaper and that amounts to a violation of human rights, that time we can take suo moto and there we require the help from the NGOs. And I'll say that one thing, that the way in which NGOs are helping us, really very good. I'll tell you one thing, that in Malad there is a one NGO, Hetu. Each year I am attending their function, and what they are doing, they are helping to handicapped peoples, blind peoples, and those who have no any support from the society. They are at the present, they already adopted more than 1,500 just students, so that they can do their all the expenses for education up to whatever they want to do, up to graduate, postgraduate, all those things. Not only that, now just before 6 months, we had distributed one specs, that is computerized specs, to the blind people, those who can use and they can work, or they normal, just they work as a normal people. Now we decided on 9th June, again we are holding one function at Malad, where we are requested our governor to, as a chief guest, where we are distributing this near about 200 specs, and one specs cost near about 30,000. And all this happened because of NGOs. Therefore, I'll say that in Human Rights Commission, whatever work we are doing, we are getting very good support from the NGOs. And when I met Mr. Sunny and I heard what work they are doing, really they are doing, see now, just we have seen that what Ms. Usha has said, what they are telling, we are helping the peoples to how to implement their human rights. Because she has very clearly said that they are no authority, they can't pass any order, they can't execute any summons. This thing we have to keep in mind, that when you are doing work on behalf of NGOs, we have to see that you have to help the peoples. Many times what happens, people are coming and approaching you, they don't know how to approach the appropriate authority. On behalf of them, you can file complaints before us also. Why we want on behalf of them? Because sometimes I seen that some NGOs file complaints on behalf of a particular person. When we are issuing summons to them, we are calling upon them, they say that I never filed such type of complaints. Therefore, we are accepting the complaint from NGOs also, but we require in writing consent from the particular victim who wants that justice. Therefore, I'll say that I'm very glad that Mr. Sunny has invited me, and I learned that this NGO is doing such a great work. I hope that they will continue, and whenever they want our help from Commission, I'm ready, because we are also holding workshops for senior citizens' rights, for handicapped people's rights, for women's rights. We are also holding workshop where we are calling for expert persons also. Not only that, we are holding workshop for these medical camps also. We are visiting some jails authority, mental hospitals. If we find that it requires some particular improvement there, we are requesting government to do, and government is doing all those things. If such things come to know your knowledge, you can also write to us. Then we can also take action about that one. So thanks, Mr. Sunny, you have invited me here, and I learned that all those things. I'm very good for that. Thanks you for that.
Sunny ji on stage. So now it's time for us to honor our chief guest, Honorable Shri Kamal Kishore Kapoor Chandji Tater. Sir, thank you for presenting all the awards. Means a lot to us. Now I'd like to request Sunny Shah ji to kindly honor our chief guest. This is a huge moment, big moment. I don't think so there's anyone in Indian judiciary who doesn't know Shri Kamal Kishore Kapoor Janjeet Tatir.